Hi, my name is Sasha Cassadine, hostess of Flip Phone Brunches here in Minneapolis. And on the behalf of myself and Truly Hard Seltzer, I want to wish you a happy, heartfelt, and warm Pride. This month is special because this month we celebrate all the beautiful people that make Pride special. And thanks to Truly joining us, they want to celebrate it with us too. Happy Pride, everyone, and Black Lives Matter. We are truly proud to be a part of this event. And on behalf of myself and Truly, we want to wish you a happy Pride